Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next Supreme content. Thank you.
Hello guys, I trust you all are doing fine. My name is Kofi Frederick, well known as a Supreme. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips, and how to make money online with your smartphone. If this meets your specification, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can change the shape of your images. Okay, let's take for example, you are designing a particular you are having a deal on a particular design. Okay, yeah, but then the right image that you want to use for that particular image is, let's say, this particular image over here, but then the clothes the image is actually putting on doesn't fit what you want to achieve in your design. But then you want, let's say, this particular wine color, but then the image you got is on navy blue. Okay, so I'm going to teach you step by step how you can change this particular navy blue coat to this particular wine color, and this can be applied to any image at all, provided it is a color with the omission of white and then black. You know, white and black are universal colors, and for that matter, you can't change it to another color. Okay, but then aside white and black, you can change any color at all to any color that you prefer or you want to use for your design. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this. So I'm going to start from a default page, and then once I get to this particular screen, I am going to tap on this particular polygon tool over here. Once I tap on it, I'll tap on import. After tapping on import, you now import the image you want to change its color. Okay, the image you want to change its color. So I have the image right here, so let me just locate my Pixellab folder. Then this is the image. Okay, so I am going to use this particular image over here. Now once you get the image on your screen like this, you make sure that you zoom it to 100 ratio. The width and height should be occupying the screen like this. Okay, you make sure that you move it to 100%. now once we are done with it, go ahead and then lock this particular layer. Okay, this one, then make a copy of it. Okay, make a copy. So we've made a copy, so we are having the first one and then the second one. So the one at the back is what I have locked. Okay, so we are going to work on this particular one over here. So let me move it so that you see that I'm having two images here. So we are going to work on this particular image. Okay, so once you get this particular image here, what you are going to do is to come to erase. Okay, your eraser tool, you tap on your eraser tool, then at the far top here you are going to see the plus sign. We want to zoom this image because we want to erase part of this image away. Okay, so that we can achieve what we are about doing. So you tap on the plus sign, then you can use your two fingers to actually zoom in or zoom out depending on how you want to work on it. Okay, so I'll zoom it to this particular. Now after zooming, go ahead and tap on the plus sign again before you can actually work on the image. So you tap on the plus again. Okay, now you are having your eraser ready. This is your eraser, how to control the size of your eraser and how blur you want it to be. Okay, so this one will actually control the blurriness of your eraser, and this one will control how big you want your eraser to be. Okay, so let me just do it this way. Then you start cleaning. We are cleaning every place we can see the skin. Okay, we are cleaning off the skin. Okay, cleaning off the skin. So we are taking off the skin part of this image. So you zoom in and out to make sure that you are doing the right thing. Okay, so I'll clean every part of the skin. This is as simple as ABC. Clean all the skin part. Okay, so let me reduce the size. Now this particular button down here will help you to control the eraser by tapping here, you see. So you can tap at this particular place, then you'll be using this part to clean. Okay, so that is exactly what I am doing here. So we clean all the skin parts. So you carefully do this. Okay, this is not about rushing. You just have to take your time and do it. Okay, all right, so let's zoom in again and come to where we can find skin. Okay, so since we are finding skin here, we come back to this particular place and start cleaning again. Okay, so you make sure that you control the size of your eraser properly so that you can actually clean exactly what you're supposed to clean. So we clean out all the skin parts. So you carefully do this. Okay, one thing is that if you want to achieve the best out of something, you have to make sure that you take your time to do it. Okay, make sure that you take your time to do it and do it well, so that if there is any reward, you can actually get it in full. But then if you are doing things anyhow, trust me, you are not going to get the reward that is required. Okay, so you take your time and do things well. Let me reduce the size so that I can check my corners well. Okay, because I don't want the tutorial to be too lengthy, mine may not be properly cleaned. Okay, but that shouldn't be your case. You have to make sure that you take your time and clean everything as I am doing. You could see that this one I have gone beyond where I suppose. Okay, the cleaning part is the only problem. Okay, once we are done with the cleaning, every part is just something. All right, so we are now done with our cleaning. I think this is okay. Okay, all right, so now let's center that image properly at the center. Okay, so let me use the relative position to tap this one, and this one. Okay, so this and that. Okay, so that it fits right in. Now the image we just cleaned part, which is this particular first image, we are going to change the color by coming to color filters. Okay, we can locate color filters here. You tap on the color filter, then the hue, you move it to your preferred color. Okay, any color at all that you want, you just move the hue. So let's assume I want this particular green, I will just leave it here. If I want this particular color, I will leave it here. Any color at all, this particular color, I will leave it here. Now once you are done with the hue, come to saturation, move the saturation to 15, move the brightness to -15, then move the contrast to 15. All right, you are now done with changing the color of the shirt. Okay, so let's take for example, we want this particular color, we just move it there. We want this particular color, we just move it there. We want this particular color, we move it. So any color at all, we can actually get it right here. The green looking very nice. So the color that best fits the background of your work or the work that you are going to do, you just do it the same way. Now someone may ask, why is it that we cleaned the skin part of one of the image but we didn't clean the skin part of the other image? So this is how it will work if you did not clean the skin part but you use one image to do. So let's assume that this image is off and then we want to work on this particular image you see on the screen. We didn't clean the skin part, we just want to change the color. We came directly to color filters, then we begin changing the color. You could see that it is affecting the skin. Okay, it is what affecting the skin of the image. So the reason why we did the images two is because this one will maintain the skin of your image. Okay, this particular image is maintaining the skin, whilst this particular second image takes care of the shirt that you are changing. So if you put it right, this one at the middle, this one at the, you could see that now looking at this image critically, it seems that we have never touched the image. Okay, one image is taking care of the skin part and the other image taking care of the shirt. This is amazing, guys. If you love this particular tutorial, please give us a thumbs, like this particular video, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a whole lot of content to share with you and you are going to enjoy it. Once we hit a certain number of subscribers, we are going to introduce another skill to our channel. It may be oil painting course, it may be digital marketing, something like WhatsApp automation course, it may be WhatsApp robotics, it may be smudge painting, any skill at all. We are just here to make sure that we all achieve certain knowledge through our YouTube channel. So please and please give us a subscribe, give us a like, comment to this particular video and watch the previous video as well if you want it. So guys, thanks for watching this particular tutorial. Once you are done with this, you can go ahead and tap here, then you tap on transparent, then you save this particular image as a PNG image. Okay, that is, you are going to save it without a background. Guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. It's bye for now.